Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a 2025 Alcom Stealth Contractor trailer. This particular one is a limited edition, so it's got a few options on it, some upgrades, but most of it's standard. This particular one is finished in a beautiful white finish, and we upgraded to have the powder coat package on, which powder coated all the outside moldings. We also upgraded the wheels to some nice, beautiful black wheels, as you can see here. Finish off the trailer really nice. As we walk around the trailer, this is a 7x14, so it's a 14-foot box plus the V-nose. As you can see, we have a 110 input here, so you can plug your cord in and have power inside. Then you walk around, you're going to notice a ladder here. I'm going to go up the ladder because this has a catwalk system. And I go up the ladder, you can see it's got a catwalk so you can walk on the roof. It's also got the ladder rack system, and as we go around back, I'm going to show you that it also has a roller in the back to roll on where the ladder's on. The man door with a conventional RV style lock here, plus the bar lock for additional security. As you walk around back, the best thing about this is it's a double rear door, plus it's got a ramp system. So let me go to this door. The ramps are all aluminum, and they sit here in the door in this pocket secured. I took one out at the other side, and it goes here. You can put both these ramps anywhere you want, or just one ramp to run a hand truck up, or whatever works for you. As we notice the inside, it's got a translucent roof for natural light, so it's, as you can see, it's nice and bright in here. The floors and the walls are finished in a Pack-Tight material. This material will outlive you, it will never rot. I've got some in a fishbowl for well over 6 years. We also put a Versatrack in the walls here. Also in the front, which we had some shelves put in there attached to the Versatrack. So the Versatrack is designed so you can hook like Makita boxes, Milwaukee boxes to the trailer, or put shelving, or whatever works for you in the construction world. Also, the trailer has cross vents. There's a vent here. There's one in the back corner, which I'll show you. So there's air flowing throughout the trailer 365 days a year. So you have to worry about the moisture factors and what have you. Here's the outlet inside right here. USB outlet, GFI outlet. This switch here is for the interior dome lights, the LED. As we walk around back, here's that other vent I was talking about. As we go out of the trailer, we can look up, and you can see the roller there, so you can roll your lumber ladders up on top. So this contractor trailer are fantastic for contractors. They're just put your business in and go. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer here at Dayspring, reach out to us at 503-666-7300 or dayspringtrailers.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.